Welcome back to the Daily Grind, everyone. So, we have water restrictions, and this is from my air conditioner. It's dripping. So I've been collecting it and then sticking it in this watering pan here and using that to water my garden because they are not going to let me. So I just set up all this drip irrigation for my tomatoes, and now I can't use it. Not allowed to run it. They said I could. Well, they said I couldn't, but then they said if I absolutely must, please don't use more than 5 to 6 gallons in a week. So I've been running it once for about 20 minutes. It's a 25 gallon per hour regulator on the drip system. I think that's roughly around 5 gallons. I could be wrong, but yeah, so anyway, I'm doing kind of compliant. Hopefully I'm complying correctly. But yeah, they're doing okay still because I am able to supplement with this. This has been getting some water, and these are almost ready. You can see how beautiful these are. So I don't know when they're going to be producing their seed. You would think soon, but I'm not seeing any seed fall off, so we'll see. I'm definitely trying to conserve the water because they're asking me to. Ooh, that thing needs some water. All right, and so the chickens are also not doing well. We did lose a chicken already. You can see them all huddled up here because I guess that's the coolest spot. They said I could hose it down every once in a while to cool them down, but not to do it often. So I've got these frozen water bottles in here. You can see they're keeping their wings out a little bit, trying to get the air underneath them to cool off. Got the frozen water bottles out here. If they need, they can huddle against it. They like it. It's nice and cool, so they'll do that. And I kind of put it up here because they like to bathe in there, and it keeps it a little bit cooler. Putting some ice, but I lost a chicken to the heat. I did, and I know a couple people said that it's not a good idea to. Hey bud, what's up with your eye? You all right? I think these birds brought in the new birds brought in some diseases, unfortunately. Look at his eye. He's got it closed. Noticed a little bit of like sinus stuff with them. So hopefully they're all right. Maybe it's just allergies, I'm not sure. But anyway. So some of you said that doing extra stuff like the water, frozen water and stuff like that, cooling down the water is pampering them too much, and that causes weak chickens. But I already lost a chicken to the heat, so it's just what it is. I'm gonna do what I can to keep them alive. Different people have different opinions on it, so I think I'm gonna do what I think is gonna work the best. So anyway, it is hot. It's 100 to 105 degrees every day. We had a couple days that were 108 and 107, and it's just too hot. So it's brutal for these guys, brutal for me. I don't even want to be out here. My phone, I'm filming for 4 minutes and it's saying that I'm overheating here. So pretty soon it's gonna have to turn off. So I'm gonna have to cut this video short, but anyway, that's what we're dealing with here. It's super hot. Water restrictions, we're not able to water our garden, and these birds are having some trouble. But anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully we don't lose any more chickens. Hopefully this guy gets feeling better. So I will see you guys on the next video. Now you guys go escape the daily grind.